back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today we're going to be installing fog lights on my 2017 Ram. I got them from a company called Z Automotive. I'll put the link in the description. I don't have a discount code or anything because it's not sponsored, but it could be, so y'all hit me up. But these are my old fog lights. They're pretty worn out, obviously. Pretty nasty. I do have LEDs in them and they are fairly bright, but they just look nasty. So I went ahead and got these. So we're gonna go ahead and get them put in there. They are plug and play, so it should be pretty simple. There's just 3 bolts and then plug them in. So anyway, I'll go ahead and get that one slapped in there. And there's the first one on the truck, guys. I think it looks pretty good with the Alpha X headlights and then the aftermarket fogs. I'll turn them all on here in a minute once I get the other side put on. Had a little bit of a struggle with that one, trying to see the bolt holes, or not, you can't really see them, you got to feel them. These are pretty nice. They came with the little harness in case you didn't have fog lights already. You could wire them in, but obviously we already did, so just unplug this. And just like that, guys, they're all plugged in, turned on, and working. I think they look great. Loving that front end now. I do want to change the grill out to probably a stock style black one with chrome inserts. But drop a comment what y'all think about the fog lights. Z Automotive on Amazon. That's where I got them from. They were like 100 and some bucks. 6.4 manifold, looking good on there. Still using the AFE intake, which I messed up. Got drug a little bit on the ground. Still working all right though. So yeah, loving the way she's coming along, guys. We got some more upgrades on the way for her, as well as for the red truck. Y'all don't forget about the OG red one over there chilling. We're finally going to start on the hemi swap. We're going to start with the suspension on that truck, interior, and then the engine. But I already have all the suspension parts ordered, waiting for them to come in, and we'll start the build process on that truck. So y'all make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. We're actually going to the track tonight. We won't be racing because I'm going to take the family, but I figured I'd show y'all what the local rides look like at the Pinwheel Nights Raceway, quarter-mile drag strip. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you there.